Namaste Gurkulians, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine again. And beta, one problem is from your side, beta. You are not asking so much questions. This means you are not studying at your home very well. Beta, keep studying, beta. And it's very important class. Important part of your life. Plus 2 class is very important, beta. So keep on studying, beta. Today, beta, we will do the numericals of electric potential. Okay, beta. Then we will do the next part of second chapter, capacitance. Okay. Numericals based upon those formulas which we have done in this chapter. Very simple numericals there are. First numerical is there. Write the statement. 50 microjoule of work is required to carry 2 microcoulomb charge from A to B. What is potential difference between A and B? Which point is at higher potential? बेटा तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि एक चार्ज को A से लेके B तक रखने के लिए, और चार्ज कौन सा दिया आपको? 2 माइक्रोकूलम चार्ज दिया हुआ है. टू कैरी दिस चार्ज फ्रॉम A to B 50 microjoule work is done. Then you have to tell what is the potential difference between A and B, and also you have to tell which point is at higher potential. Beta, listen. What is given to you? You are given work done. A से लेके B तक चार्ज को ले जाने के लिए कितना वर्क करना पड़ा? A से लेके B तक चार्ज को ले जाने के लिए आपने कितना काम किया बेटा? 50 माइक्रोजूल. और चार्ज कितना ले गए? हाउ मच चार्ज यू ट्रांसफर? टू माइक्रोकूलम. दिस चार्ज यू ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम A to B and you did 50 microjoule of work. Okay, how much potential difference is there? Beta, in the first lecture of this chapter, in the first topic, we studied that if a charge transferred from A to B, okay, then WAB upon charge, कौन सा चार्ज? जिसको आपने ट्रांसफर किया है, इज इक्वल टू, टेल मी, इज इक्वल टू VB माइनस VA, इज इक्वल टू VB माइनस VA. ओके, दिस इज द, नाउ WAB इज 50 माइक्रोजूल अपॉन चार्ज इज 2 माइक्रोकूलम इज इक्वल टू VB माइनस VA. पहले एक टॉपिक में हमने एक बात पढ़ी थी. ओके, हमने 2 केस किए थे. वन, द चार्ज वाज ब्रॉट फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट टू फाइंड द पोटेंशियल, एंड सेकंड, ए चार्ज वाज ब्रॉट फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट टू फाइंड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. नाउ बेटा, माइक्रो इज कैंसल बाय माइक्रो. इट विल बी 25 जूल पर कूलम इज इक्वल टू VB माइनस VA. एंड यू नो वन थिंग, जूल पर कूलम इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड वोल्ट. Volt is the SI unit of potential difference. This is the potential difference. अच्छा बच्चे, एक बात मैं आपको और बताना चाहूँगा. अगर कोई आपसे पूछे ना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कितना है, तो जरूरी नहीं है कि VB माइनस VA बताना है. डिफरेंस का मतलब तो ये भी हो सकता है, यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड VA माइनस VB ऑल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. But VB minus VA is 25. If you find VA minus VB, then it will be minus 25. The next part of the question is, which point is at higher potential? Now beta, this number is positive. This means VB is greater than VA. Point B is at higher potential than B. Okay, fine. And we have to work 50 microjoule. Beta, I want to tell you one thing. See, listen, is very important point, beta. When positive work is done, beta, positive work is done to move a positive charge. If positive work is done to move a positive charge, this means you are going towards higher potential. Okay, final. This is higher potential. यानी कि आप A से B जा रहे थे, you are going towards higher potential if positive work is done to move the positive charge. Okay, fine. Okay beta, if in this question charge is negative, then answer will be negative. Potential difference it will be -25 and VB will be at lower potential. अगर आप बेटा पॉजिटिव वर्क कर रहे हो पॉजिटिव चार्ज को ले जाने के लिए, तो फाइनल पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा आएगा. एंड इफ पॉजिटिव वर्क इज डन इन मूविंग नेगेटिव चार्ज, इट मीन्स बेटा यू आर गोइंग टुवार्ड्स नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल. ओके ओके फाइन, you are going towards lower potential. Now beta, question number 2, very good question is there beta. Question number 2, 2 points are there, P and Q, which are on equatorial line of an electric dipole. How much work is done in moving a charge Q naught from P to Q? Beta listen, in this question a dipole is there and on its equatorial line, this is dipole and this is its equatorial line axis. On its equatorial line there are 2 points beta, P and Q. Anywhere, P, Q, anywhere, and we have to transfer a charge Q naught from P to Q. हमको एक चार्ज कहाँ से कहाँ लाना है बेटा? P to Q. How much work is done and which charge you have to brought? You have to bring Q naught charge. You have to bring from P to Q. How much work is done? Again beta, formula is there. Charge, which charge is brought? Q naught is equal to VQ minus VP. You know beta, at each point electric potential is 0 or same, at each point electric potential is 0 beta. This thing I told you in the topic electric potential due to electric dipole, and then we found that at the all points of equatorial line electric potential comes out to be 0. Now this is also 0, this is also 0, then minus will be 0, then WPQ by Q naught is equal to 0, WPQ is equal to 0. This means no work will be done in moving any charge from one point to another point. Now tell me, if minus Q naught is brought, then even then answer will be 0. No work is done in moving any type of charge along equatorial axis of the dipole. Now beta, third question is very important. Arrange potentials of point P, Q and R in ascending order. Arrange potentials of P, Q and R in ascending order. Beta, in the figure 3 points are given. 3 points are given and you have to tell that at which point electric potential is more and at which point electric potential is less. See the figure. Okay, fine. 3 points are there. PQR. Okay, fine. You have to tell that beta which point is at lower potential, which is at a higher. You have to arrange the potential of these points in ascending order. Beta listen, this is uniform electric field intensity, and you know, in case of uniform electric field intensity beta, uniform electric field intensity was due to the infinite plane thin sheet of charge, and you know in case of uniform electric field intensity, how will be the equipotential surface? Equipotential surface, suppose uniform electric field is coming in this way, in this direction, then you know what type will be the equipotential surface. Equipotential surface will be a plane sheet, infinite plane sheet here. If electric field has long range in this way, infinite electric field is coming and uniform electric field is there, then this sheet will have equipotential surface. At every point of the sheet there will be equipotential, equal potential there will be. Okay, now beta, this means if sheet is put in this way, then every point of the sheet will have the same potential. Now one thing is confirmed beta, these both point are at the same potential. It is confirmed that. Now you have what you have to write as line PR on equipotential surface. So Vp is equal to Vr, that's it. Vp is equal to Vr. Okay, दोनों पे पोटेंशियल क्या होगा बेटा? सेम होगा. Now we have to compare potentials of these 2 points. Now beta, we have the formula. This was the first part 1. Now part 2. Now we have to compare the potential of these. Now beta, you know the relation. Relation was E is equal to minus dV by dr. You know beta. A question is given. There is question, compare the इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट दीज 3 पॉइंट्स. तो बेटा मैंने ये डिस्टेंस कितनी मान ली? सपोज d मान ली. और ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी कितनी मान ली बच्चे मैंने? E वेक्टर whose magnitude is E. They both will have same potential. Okay, now I have to find what is the comparison between P and Q. Who is greater? Where potential is greater and where potential is lower, I have to find. Listen, I know this relation, E is equal to minus dV by dr. Now beta, you know this can be written as dV is equal to minus EdR. This can be written as beta dV is equal to minus EdR. Final? Clear beta? Now beta, listen one thing. आपको अब dV क्या है? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. आपको बेटा P से Q जाना है या Q से P आना है? यू हैव टू टेल मी. अगर आप कहेंगे सर हमको P से Q जाना है किसी चार्ज को लेके, अगर हम P से Q मूव करते हैं बेटा, देन लिसन व्हाट विल बी देयर. देन इफ यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम P टू Q, देन dV विल बी फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. इफ यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम P टू Q, देन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस विल बी फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. ओके, फाइनल इज इक्वल टू minus E into dr. What is the distance between them? Small d. Okay, so VQ minus VP is equal to minus ED. This number is negative. This number is negative. This means VQ is smaller and VP is larger. It means here potential is smaller, here potential is larger, and they both have same potential. It means we can say VP is equal to VR, and they are having greater potential as compared to Q. Okay, fine, clear beta? This is the beta. Listen, अगर आप कहोगे नहीं सर हमको Q से P जाना है, तो देखिए आप क्या करेंगे. Q से P जाना है तो इट विल बी VP minus VQ. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस विल बी VP minus VQ, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. अगर आप Q से P जा रहे हैं इज इक्वल टू इट विल बी माइनस E, एंड यू नो बेटा व्हाट विल बी dr. dr विल बी माइनस D, क्योंकि आप इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड से उल्टा जा रहे हैं. इट विल बी कैंसल. नाउ दिस नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, सो VP इज ग्रेटर देन VQ. वही बात हो गई सेम जो यहाँ पे आई थी. सो VP is equal to VR and VP is greater than VQ. So this relation will be there between their potentials. Okay beta, this question is very important in the view of फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन बेटा। नाउ बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बेटा, लिसन, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द व्यू ऑफ एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चंस बेटा, लिसन। A negative charge is placed, then you have to tell VA minus VB is positive or negative। मीन्स मैं आपको बताता हूँ, बिना फिगर के क्वेश्चन बात बनेगी नहीं। Suppose बेटा a negative charge is there, a negative charge is there and 2 points are there A B। बेटा ये टॉपिक ध्यान से देखना, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा। a negative charge is there and there are 2 points A and B, okay, you have to tell that VA minus VB is positive or negative number, VA minus VB। बेटा लिसन, टेल मी वन थिंग, वैसे मैं आपको सीधा बता दूं, सीधा अगर आपको देखना है तो विच पॉइंट इज नियर द चार्ज A, so A will be at greater negative potential as compared to B। Here potential will be greater negative, greater negative means lower, it will be greater negative potential as compared to this। Then VA minus VB, this is greater negative number, this is lower negative number, then answer will be negative। लेकिन इसको ना अच्छे तरीके से कैसे करेंगे, सी लिसन, वी हैव टू फाइंड इट इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, दिस साइन इज, दिस नंबर इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, दिस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव। लिसन बेटा, कंसीडर दिस डिस्टेंस एज R1 and consider this distance as R2, then tell me what will be potential at A, tell me what will be potential at A, charge upon 4 pi epsilon naught R1। Now tell me potential at B, charge upon 4 pi epsilon naught R2, put here, then VA minus VB will be VA minus VB, then by simple mathematics okay fine, and it will be common, q by 4 pi epsilon naught will be common, then it will be 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1, simply we can write it as R1 minus R2 upon R1 R2। then tell me R1 is less than R2, then this number will be negative, VA minus VB will be negative, okay फाइनल। और अगर हम वैसे देखें बिना क्वेश्चन किए तब भी हमारा आंसर आ सकता है, बिकॉज A point is near the negative potential, negative charge, so A will be at greater negative potential than B, and due to this, if this is greater negative answer, this is lower negative answer, then total answer will be negative, okay final, this is the answer। now बेटा tell me one thing, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात यहाँ से सामने आई, आपको पता है कि जो A पॉइंट है ना ये ग्रेटर नेगेटिव पे है, ये ज़्यादा नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल पे है, ये कम पोटेंशियल पे है। आपको एक ना वैसे एक बात बता रहा हूँ छोटी सी, सपोज दिस पोटेंशियल इज माइनस 10 वोल्ट एंड दिस पोटेंशियल इज माइनस 5 वोल्ट, ओके सपोज दिस इज एट ग्रेटर नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल एंड दिस इज एट लोअर नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल। सपोज बेटा पॉजिटिव चार्ज आई वांट टू ब्रोट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, पॉजिटिव चार्ज from this point to this point, then positive work will be done or negative, then negative work will be done because you are going to lower potential, okay। if positive charge is brought to higher potential, then positive work is done, as we have discussed in the I think second questions, okay। now beta next question, you find the electric potential energy of the following system, find the electric potential energy of the following system, electric potential energy of the following system। there is a triangle with this side is R, this side is 2R, this side is 2R, this charge is minus q, this charge is plus q, this charge is plus q। you have to find the potential energy of this system। बेटा listen, Suppose this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Okay, fine. Beta listen. Suppose first of all this charge is brought from infinity to here. How much work will be done? No work will be done because no charge was there. Here there was no any field of any other charge. This means no work is done in bringing this charge from infinity. No work is done. Okay, now we will bring this charge from infinity. Then tell me how much work will be done. Then work done in bringing charge at A, WA is equal to 0. Because why? Because no any field of there of any other charge, WA is equal to 0. Now we will bring the second charge plus Q from infinity to B. Now beta, there is the field of this charge. Now work is done. How much work will be done to bring the charge at B? You know the formula. Charge into charge, Q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught distance is R. Part 2. Now third charge minus Q is brought from infinity to this point. How much work will be done? Now beta, there are the fields of two charges. How much work will be done? Now WC. Field of this charge is there, field of this charge is there. How much work will be done against its field? Tell me, it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q into minus Q, it will be minus Q square upon 2R. And in this field, plus, it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Tell me, minus Q square upon 2R. Upon 2R. Now beta, tell me again, what will be WC? 1 by 2, beta, what will be common? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q square by R will be common. Inside what will be there? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Then it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q square by R. Now beta, add all WA, WB, WC. Total work done. WA plus WB plus WC. They are equal and opposite. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R. कैंसल. जीरो वर्क डन. आपको कोई काम ही नहीं करना पड़ेगा. और अगर कोई काम नहीं करना पड़ा, इसका मतलब है पूरे सिस्टम की पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितनी हो गई? जीरो. बेटा लिसन, इफ गॉड सेज दैट ग्रेविटेशन इज स्विच्ड ऑफ, हाउ मच वर्क इज डन इन मूविंग दिस चोक फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट? नो वर्क विल बी डन. सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एट दिस पॉइंट, एट दिस पॉइंट, एट दिस पॉइंट, एट एनी पॉइंट बेटा, ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी विल बी जीरो. ओके, फाइनल. सो टोटल एनर्जी इज जीरो. नो वर्क इज डन. बिकॉज बेटा कोई वर्क क्यों नहीं हुआ? कि जितना एक बार पॉजिटिव वर्क हुआ उतना ही नेगेटिव वर्क हो गया अगले केस में. तो टोटल जो वर्क हुआ, सो टोटल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम बिकम्स जीरो. ओके. नाउ बेटा, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा. कैलकुलेट द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट द सेंटर ऑफ रेगुलर हेक्सागन. बेटा, you know what do you mean by hexagon? Hexagon is the polygon which has 6 sides beta. And regular hexagon means all sides are same. And you know beta, what is the angle of one corner in regular hexagon? You know, 120 degree beta. Listen, now it's very important for topic beta. Listen. Question is there, a regular hexagon is there. Question I am speaking beta. Calculate the electric potential at center of regular hexagon given in figure. Given in figure. Regular hexagon whose one side is a 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. And at each corner 5 microcoulomb charge is placed. Five microcoulomb charge is placed, and you have to find the electrostatic potential due to this at its center. Now beta, this is very important question. लिसन ना बेटा, व्हाट विल हैपन। बेटा एक बात है, अगर मैं इसकी मैं क्या करूँगा, आई हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू दिस, 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 एंड आई विल simply add them, simply add them because the potential is the scalar quantity, scalar addition हम इनका कर देंगे तो it will be the, now to find the potential at this point due to this charge we must know about this length, how much this distance will be। अगर ये डिस्टेंस पता चलेगी तभी तो हम इस चार्ज का इस पॉइंट पे क्या निकालेंगे, पोटेंशियल निकालेंगे। ओके ऐसे सबका निकालेंगे, सबको ऐड कर देंगे। ओके नाउ बेटा इट्स लेंथ इज 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड यू नो बेटा सपोज दिस टोटल एंगल इज, यू नो दिस टोटल एंगल इज 120 डिग्री, लेकिन ये रेगुलर हेक्सागन है। ड्यू टू सिमेट्रिसिटी इफ दिस टोटल इज 120 डिग्री देन इट विल बी हाफ 60 डिग्री, क्योंकि पूरा रेगुलर हेक्सागन है, सिमेट्रिसिटी है, जो इसके साथ है वही इसके साथ है, सब कुछ है। सिमिलरली दिस एंगल विल ऑल्सो बी 60 डिग्री। ओके देन ऑटोमेटिकली बेटा दिस एंगल विल ऑल्सो बी 60 डिग्री बिकॉज ऑल द साइड्स है, ऑल द एंगल्स, the sum of all the angles in the triangle is 180 degree, 60 angle 60 degree 60 degree 60 degree, so this triangle will be equilateral triangle and you know the sides of all equilateral triangle is same. If this is 10 centimeter then this will be also 10 centimeter. Then potential due to this charge at this point will be, listen, this suppose this point is 1, this point is 2, this point is 3, this point is 4, this point is 5, this point is 6. Then potential due to charge at 1 at C, it will be, tell me, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, tell me, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon distance. Distance is 10 centimeter, 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 in SI system. Okay, volt. You know what is the value of it? What is the value of it? You know, 9 into 10 to the power 9 in SI system multiply by 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 volt. Okay, minus the power, this is the very simple. Now you can simplify it, 4.5 into 10 to the power 5 volt. Okay बेटा, now बेटा ये तो इसकी वजह से आया। Now due to this answer will be same, due to this answer will be same, due to this answer will be same, so due to all answer will be same due to symmetricity of the regular hexagon. Now total potential will be 6V1 is equal to 6 into 4.5 into 10 to the power 5 is equal to, it will be 27 into 10 to the power 5 volt. This is the electric potential due to all the points. Okay beta, now beta is simple thing I want to tell you now. A last point of 2 minutes is there beta. Suppose last question I can say only for 2 minutes beta. Question is there, the center of square has charge 10 microcoulomb. The center of square has charge 10 microcoulomb. How much work is done in moving 2 microcoulomb from point A to point M? Listen, this is very simple question. This is the square of side 10 centimeter and center has charge, you know, 10 microcoulomb. A charge I want to transfer from A point to midpoint M. This point A, B, C, D. A charge of 2 microcoulomb is displaced from A point to M point of the square whose center has charge 10 microcoulomb. How much work will be done? How much work will be done? And you know beta, everyone, वर्क वाला जब भी क्वेश्चन है तो हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है, WAM इज बाय चार्ज, जिसको लेके जाया गया, अपॉन 2 माइक्रोकूलम इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस Vm माइनस Va, सॉरी दिस इज Am, Vm माइनस Va, बस ओके, दिस इज द नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड ओनली Vm माइनस Va, Vm माइनस Va. बेटा टेल मी व्हाट विल बी Vm, व्हाट विल बी Vm? 1/4 pi epsilon naught potential at this point 10 microcoulomb upon distance, and this distance is 5 centimeter. Then it will be, tell me, Vm will be 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 volt. Then it will be, listen, it will be 18 into 10 to the power 5 volt at point M. Okay, now tell me what will be potential due to this charge at this point? बेटा पोटेंशियल में एक ही चार्ज आता है और एनर्जी में दोनों चार्ज आते हैं. क्लियर बेटा? नाउ व्हाट विल बी पोटेंशियल एट A? नाउ डिस्टेंस विल बी दिस, एंड यू नो हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट दिस डिस्टेंस? इजीली यू कैन कैलकुलेट बेटा. Its base is 5, its height is also 5, then it will be 5√2. Again, by using this formula, you will find the potential due to this charge at this point. Va can be calculated. Then put both the value of Vm and Va here and multiply. 2 microcoulomb can be written as 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, and this answer you can calculate beta. Calculate it by yourselves. Okay. If any problem is there, then you can ask me. Its answer beta I have not written, but I will see its answer on tomorrow beta, and you can calculate easily beta. Now it is very simple. As we have found the potential at this point due to this charge, simply now you have to change only the distance. Now distance is not 5, now distance is 5√2, only 5√2. Here 5√2 will be there, and you will find the value of Va. Simply put the value of Vm and Va here, simply you will get the answer. Okay beta. Now beta, this is finished. Now I will give the assignment of these questions, about 10 to 12 questions I will give, and keep it beta, you are not studying, अच्छे से पढ़िए बेटा, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो पूछे. और इसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बेटा, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज कैपेसिटेंस. इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम इज देयर इन दिस क्वेश्चंस, देन यू कैन टेल मी, यू कैन आस्क मी इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. थैंक यू बेटा.